So we're going to the NAB Show in Vegas.
Cool.
And it's freaking loaded. We was waiting a long time in line. But off to Vegas we go.
You ain't never seen nothing like this. Never thought it'd be so enticing. Oh, it'll pull you in with a tight grip. Shines like a diamond, bright when the light hits. Oh, shifting your senses, lifting you up to a different dimension. You see it, you feel it, it grabs your attention. Open your eyelids, you never seen anything like this. Got your eyes open wide and you're staring. Never seen anything like this. Oh, the wonder you feel, no comparing. Never seen anything like this. Never seen anything like this.
So we are in Vegas and we are currently waiting for our ride, which is beautiful Troy. So thank you very much, Troy, for coming and pick us up and taking us to the hotel, hopefully. How you doing, baby?
Got your eyes open wide and you
It even has the name, our name on the screen. Welcome to Vegas, I guess. Yes.
Oh, the wonder you feel, no comparing. Never seen anything.
German beer in Vegas?
Never seen anything like this. Never seen anything like this.
I fell victim to Vegas last night. I'm still hurting. I'll meet up with Dobo and Billy Kyle at the convention. So I need to find something to eat first. So I have to get me something to eat, man. But it's kind of crazy because over here you can just grab the food and go pay somewhere else. You do this stuff in Hawaii and everybody would just walk away with the food. Look at that little nerd right there. Sitting there all by himself. He looks so serious. It's the NAB Show, and all the big ass freaking YouTube content creators right here. I get Billy Kyle on my left, I get Jake Sloan on my right.
Okay, so freaking Jake Sloan, bro. So is that basically what you do?
So we're looking currently at the DJI Inspire 3. And that thing is not even that loud and it's indoors. So if you're outside, that noise is just gonna disperse somewhere else. Guaranteed. Yo, just yo. So what do you do when you have somebody like him there who's like my idol? You just go there and talk to him, or you'll watch him creepily from the outside? What do you do? This is
It's like YouTube heaven. I get
7 games.
Sydney right there.
I'm insane.
It's crazy, man. And we get Gerald Undone and Josh Joe sitting right there holding an interview. Well, I got to meet Connor too, if you wouldn't start running away. Besides Josh Yo.
That's right.
Yo, Josh Yo. Josh Yo just asked me if I like come with him.
I'm at NAB 2023. I got about 8 minutes to tell you all of the most mind-blowing things that I've seen here.
So this pretty much concluded our first day of, thank you, Plane. I appreciate it, Plane. So, day one of the show was very, very hard for me. It was a lot of walking. It's freaking huge. You guys seen it. So we're gonna swing by over there today one more time, just to take a quick look, so she gets to see it too. And then we'll make our way through Vegas. She just hit the cheapest. So the one thing that I've noticed the most around here is that there's a lot of light shows. Back then it used to be just like aperture. Now you have nan light, nan lux, freaking aperture. There's so many light people around here. I can't even name all of them, but damn, there's a lot of light guys. So I actually got to run into Jonathan Hames, right? Himes. He's actually the co-producer, developer of Marble Orbit. Yeah. You know my Marble Orbit, the thing that I always play around with and have that super awesome freaking B-roll of a parallax. That's the man behind the scenes right here. And we just got to run into each other. Yeah. Great to meet him. Nice to meet you. Got him. So then you run into people like Jake Sloan, who's like super tall. Like I didn't expect him to be that tall. I'm like 6 feet. This guy's like 7.5. Are you really 6 feet? Yeah.
Man.
So I said this guy's like 7.5 feet.
There we go.
I meet Jack Sloan right here at NAB Show 2023. So pretty much that concludes our second day here at the NAB 2023. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. My wife and me are going right now to explore a little bit of Vegas since it's the first time for me in Vegas. So we're gonna have a great time here. I got to meet a lot of cool people, I mean, I personally met Jake Sloan. I ran into Paul Feinberg. I've seen the Dobo boy over here, Billy Kyle. And then of course the biggest people is like Josh Yo. Then I got to run into Jonathan, who is like pretty much the brains of the operation apparently. So I got to hook up with all these cool people, and I'm hoping that the future of this channel actually gets a boost out of this. And yeah, let's explore Vegas, guys. So we pretty much just stopped to take a quick break from walking, and we spent like what, $40? We won like $300. She's a good luck charm. wanted glasses. Since the glasses are like $30, she wanted the $10 one. Freaking cheapo, man. So I paid for it from the money she won. So that's the sunrise that we're taking right now. This is Irene. Irene has brought us all the way out here into the desert.
Okay,
so we can film Vegas at night.
You don't want her.
So that concludes our flight to Vegas. We are currently sitting here at the airport waiting to go back home. It was an amazing trip. You guys seen it. There's a lot of things that you can do. There's a lot more things that you can do that we didn't even get to experience. And we had a lot of fun. First time in my life gambling, really gambling kind. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys did, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want to be notified about more videos of mine. And besides that, don't forget, be a nice human, make somebody else smile, and definitely pay it forward. Love you all. Aloha.
Here's a quick post video update. Just landed in Hawaii. I actually sweating just standing here. I didn't sweat once while I was walking hundreds of miles in Vegas. Humidity makes a big difference, a huge difference.